Chris 10 and welcome to my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe because we're going to be doing lots of challenges, football challenges. We're going to be playing with toys, motorbikes, checking out the latest games, also trampolining, backflips, lots of other stuff that kids will be interested in. Like and subscribe to all the new videos. It's Chris 10 and we're back for another video. We are going to be doing a review of this Forza goal. Make sure you like and subscribe to all my videos and put the notification bell on. We have all the Forza pieces laid out and we are going to be showing you how to set it up. I have my friend Rio here. He's a goalkeeper and we're going to be taking some shots against him.
Yep. My name's Rio, I'm 11 years old. I've been a goalkeeper for a while now and Kristen's going to be taking some shots against me.
Yeah! We're going to show you how to set up the goal. Alright guys, first thing you got to do is clip these corner pieces in. That's the first piece done. Let's move on to the second piece. Good to do the second side. Next we have to clip in the centre bars. Now we're going to do the goal posts. Make sure you look them in. Now we're doing the other goal post. Again, make sure you look them in. Now we're going to stand the goalpost up and clip it in. Now let's do the second side. That's the second post. Now we're on to the next section. Now we're clipping in the back post. We are going to repeat the process on the other side. Make sure they're clipped into the holes. Now we are halfway there. Now we're going to clip in the floor post. That's both sides clipped in. On to the next step. Now we're going to clip in the crossbar. That's the crossbar rod, just the net. Now we're going to put the net on. got to put these corner pieces on. And the bottom piece. Now we've got to put these clips on to keep the net secure. That's the first clip, and now we're going to do the rest. Now we put the goal together, we're going to take some shots. Yeah, it's shot one, we're going to try and get this one in.
Ooh. Ooh, go on Rio. Good save.
Shot two, hopefully I'll get this one in.
So what happens when you're playing five-a-side goals? It's hard to get shots in. See? Gotta get them on target, mate.
Shot three, I'm going to place it somewhere else this time.
Ooh.
Come on. Oh. Shot four, the keeper's good, but hopefully I get it in.
Ooh. Ooh, not bad.
Come on, Rio. Yeah? He's a big goalkeeper and it's very hard to get a five-side goal.
Yeah, you're right there. These five-side goals ain't easy. That's why you got to train yourself hard. Because look, you got this little five-a-side goal, trying to get it in. Rio's quite big in it as well, so yeah. It's making the job hard. Making the job hard. It's not easy, lads.
Shot five, go hit it in the corner or something.
Ooh.
Rebound! Rebound!
Hey, rebounds don't count.
Hi guys, I had 5 attempts, but Rio's getting better at goalkeeping, so it's really hard to beat. Comment down below what you thought about the Forza goal review. Also, would you buy one of these? Comment down below. Like and subscribe to all my videos and put the notification bell on. Hi guys, I'm back at home now and hopefully you enjoyed the Forza goal review. Please like and subscribe to all my videos. I'm about to play a bit of FIFA. Like and subscribe and don't forget to put on the notification bell so every time I make a video it comes through.